For more than 100 years, University of Illinois Extension has been embedded in local communities, translating university research, delivering educational programs, and offering training and services that positively impact the lives of adults and youth within Illinois and beyond. Illinois Extension addresses timely and relevant topics across 8 strategic priorities that meets the needs of Illinois residents today and address the challenges anticipated for future generations. The first strategic priority is community. We help communities cooperate and communicate effectively so they can serve every Illinois resident, from the most ambitious to the most vulnerable. Our programs include leadership training for local government officials, simulations that help people understand the challenges of living in poverty, and workshops to help people from different generations connect and communicate. We increase community capacity through the training and engagement of residents across the state who are actively serving and volunteering in their communities. The 4-H Youth Development Program creates opportunities for youth to practice civic engagement and service, using what they learn to address critical issues within Illinois communities. Next is economy. Job opportunities in active business districts help enable communities to be resilient in the face of challenges or changes. Our community and economic development educators can create individualized community improvement plans and teach local business owners and employees about international trade, customer service, and public engagement. We also have agricultural educators across the state who help farmers market their crops and make economic decisions on their farm. Whether the operation is 5 acres of fruits and vegetables, 20 acres of pasture, or 2,000 acres of row crops. Whether we're talking about farm and natural resource management, emerging energy sources, running a small business, or balancing the family budget, we want to facilitate smart financial decisions for long-term success. Illinois is a prairie state, boasting migratory bird and pollinator habitats, Lake Michigan, the Shawnee National Forest, the Mississippi River, and some of the most fertile soils in the world. Extension does our part to help preserve, protect, and showcase all that Illinois has to offer in our next priority, the environment. Our Natural Resources, Environment, and Energy program area trains master naturalist and climate steward volunteers to communicate the importance of natural resources and environmental stewardship to the public and lead conservation and restoration projects around the state. Educators offer manure management certifications, composting workshops, and water quality outreach. We partner with state agencies, farm commodity groups, and wastewater treatment plant operators to help improve our local water quality and work with communities to help Illinois reach sustainability goals. In urban areas, horticulture educators and master gardener staff and volunteers in our agriculture and agribusiness program area help residents and communities develop green infrastructure and sustainable landscapes, contributing health, social, and economic benefits to communities and their residents. Food and agriculture, which intertwine with so many aspects of our work, are next on the list. From farm to fork, Extension works to support the food system throughout Illinois. We want farmers, local producers, and interested residents, including those in traditional marginalized communities, to have the tools and information they need to provide safe, healthy, and affordable food. Our commercial agriculture educators help farmers to provide the best care for their animals to produce healthy, efficient crops, to navigate unfavorable environmental and market conditions, and to balance economics with environmental stewardship and ethics. Local foods and small farms educators support producers working to expand and diversify locally produced foods available to consumers. Our horticulture educators teach families to grow their own produce while also helping them enhance their homes and communities with attractive and sustainable gardens and landscaping. Closely related to food is the strategic priority of health. Accessible, culturally relevant health and wellness are essential to a vibrant and thriving society. Across the lifespan, Extension encourages a strong focus on health and wellness through educational programming in physical fitness, nutrition, family relationships, vaccine education, social and emotional health, and financial wellness. Our family and consumer sciences nutrition and wellness educators provide practical, proven methods for supporting a wide range of positive health outcomes. And our integrated health disparities staff address healthcare inequities through tailored wellness programs and training that generates the cultural humility needed for progress in health outcomes for underrepresented Illinois residents. Health programs for youth support physical and socio-emotional health, addressing topics such as cooking healthy meals, bullying, peer pressure, stress, and the dangers of substance abuse. Partnerships are at the heart of Extension work, and this strategic priority is advanced by bringing together diverse audiences, fostering relationships, and collaborating with others to enhance organizational resources, expertise, reach, and impact, internally and externally. Illinois Extension leverages its statewide network to convene meetings, host workshops, and facilitate engagements and events with key stakeholders, influencers, decision makers, and agencies. We share resources to catalyze and amplify the impact of evidence-based knowledge and public services geared towards growth, well-being, and resiliency. To achieve its mission, Illinois Extension also prioritizes technology and discovery in our work. We are uniquely positioned to provide digital literacy education and training to reach rural, urban, and underserved audiences throughout Illinois. By leveraging University of Illinois-based resources and community partnerships, Extension hosts trainings that cover a range of digital education topics in order to facilitate accessibility, equity, and literacy with increased broadband access, adoption and use, increased knowledge, and improved quality of life through digitally connected living. As we consider the future of our organization and state, Extension's final priority, workforce excellence, is essential. We respond to the evolving job market and technological advances with staffing models in recruitment, retention, and support strategies that strengthen the organization and allow us to better serve our state. We embrace interdisciplinary and cross-program collaborations, open communication channels, and nurture participatory leadership that develop exceedingly competent employees that further advance our mission and vision. At Illinois Extension, we believe our common vision and our enduring commitment to these 8 strategic priorities will enable us to meet today's needs across Illinois and prepare our state for a vibrant, healthy, and prosperous future.